let's take a look at Miss Shantae.
Oh, girl, work it.
Y'all make some noise for Shantae.
Oh, yes.
Yes. Get your camera time, baby. Get your camera time. So Shantae, she actually has natural hair. I don't know if y'all noticed that, but she does. And again, this type of hair is very, very scary when you walk into the salon. Would you agree? A lot of people that tend to work with this type of hair, they forget that if someone has that beautiful texture, they want to keep it, right? But they still want to rock some beautiful Vivids. This beautiful model was taken care of by Miss Chita. Miss Chita, do you want to explain that beautiful look for me?
So the important thing to always remember is curly hair, when you're lightening it, you're taking into consideration the same care that you are with straight hair. So you just don't want to damage it. So I did fine foil slices all throughout her hair. I pulled with tension, and I used 25 volume. I mixed 20 and 30, and I thought I dropped color, guys. I almost had a moment. Not on my shoe.
It's a long weekend.
So I did back-to-back foils on her, and then I went back in with the same formula and did her retouch. And what I do with curls is, I don't know how high it's going to lift, but I do want to keep the curl pattern. So when I open the foils, I do a curl strand test, just as you would do with a perm. And I pulled it to see if her curl is still there. If it's still there, we can keep going. If I see that the curl is being disrupted, then I'll stop, and that's as high as we can go. But we actually got her to a level 9. And then
Wow.
yeah.
And the curl
because
is still
the
there?
finer the finer amount of hair that you put in the foil, and as long as there is bleach, there's lightener on that foil on both sides, and foil is touching that hair, it is going to lift. And that's the same with straight hair. The finer the section, you're going to have maximum lift. So we lifted her to that, and then we used the Violet Express Tone just to cast out that yellow that she had before we did her Vivids.
Beautiful, beautiful. Thank you, Shantae.